It's time for our annual roundup of the 10 best affordable fall style options. Now, when it comes to the fall, the reason why it's one of the best seasons of the year when it comes to style is because of the wide range of options. But with that being a fact, it's easy to put a real dent in your wallet building up a fall wardrobe. That's why every year I like to give you a roundup of essentials that will have you looking stylish without breaking the bank. I've got shoes, jeans, jackets, sweaters, all at phenomenal prices. And of course, I have a link in the description to all the essentials we talk about in today's video if you want to grab one or two for yourself. Now, if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any or all those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Dwayne Selby, salute. Now, first up on the list of the 10 best fall style options at an affordable price, we have one of my favorites on the list. You definitely want to check out this Zara Faux Suede jacket. I believe this Zara Faux Suede jacket is a sleek and stylish outerwear option for the fall. Crafted from quality faux suede, this jacket gives you a luxurious look at an approachable price. And the jacket's minimalist design makes it very versatile, easy to incorporate into the rest of your fall wardrobe. Its soft texture and slim fit give it a modern, polished appearance without sacrificing comfort. And it comes in a variety of rich earth tones, which of course will match a lot of the colors you wear during autumn. It will easily complement your neutral and bold looks just as well. I love the practical features and durable finish of the Zara Faux Suede jacket. I believe it makes a great addition to any man's fall wardrobe, giving you sophistication without sacrificing your budget. You can grab it for only 70 bucks. Now, next up on the list, we have our first shoe option from a category I believe is one of the most versatile footwear choices you can make during the fall, the loafer. You definitely want to check out the Coach outlet Brooks Loafer. I believe this Brooks Loafer is a timeless and sophisticated option to any guy's fall wardrobe. Crafted from quality fine leather, it combines a luxurious look with a very comfortable fit, making it a perfect choice for casual and semi-casual occasions. The sleek silhouette features a classic penny loafer design, enhanced by some subtle stitching and the iconic Coach logo. I believe giving you a refined, understated, and elegant choice. Its slip-on design, of course, gives you ease of wear, and the cushioned insole provides all-day comfort. And you have two great choices when it comes to color. You have your black and light brown. I might even grab both. So if you're looking for a versatile, affordable, and timeless design in the shoe, you definitely want to grab the Coach Brooks Loafer. It's a sophisticated choice that will only set you back 83 bucks. Now, our next recommendation is from a category I believe is one of the most versatile and stylish pieces in any man's fall wardrobe. I'm talking about a pair of dark denim. You definitely want to check out the J. Crew Factory Slim Fit jeans in rinse. What I love about this selection, they have a nice modern tailored fit, offering you a tailored look in your denim, but not tight, making them perfect for casual and smart casual outfits. And the dark rinse with these jeans adds a refined, sophisticated touch. This is your grown man pair of jeans, making them very easy to wear with anything from a long sleeve t-shirt to a button-up, or even dress them up with your favorite fall blazer. The denim from these J. Crew Factory, they have a little bit of stretch to them, providing ease of movement and comfort, even though they have that nice slim fit. And I also love the quality construction you get with this denim, meaning you'll get your money's worth. They'll last. Overall, these J. Crew Factory jeans give you great value, great style, comfort, and versatility. They're only going to set you back 50 bucks. Now, next up is what I believe is one of the most underrated but most useful pieces you can have in your wardrobe for fall's transitional weather. I'm talking about a Shacket. I highly recommend you check out this Hollister twill Shacket in cream plaid. As I mentioned, the Shacket is one of the most stylish and versatile options you can have when trying to guess fall's unpredictable weather. Combining the structure of a jacket with the feel of a shirt, the Shacket offers the best of both worlds. And that's definitely true from this Hollister option. I like the cream plaid design. It gives you a classic laid-back vibe, one that easily pairs with your jeans or your chinos, making them perfect for a casual look. One of the best layering options you can have throughout the fall. Made from soft twill fabric, this Shacket from Hollister provides warmth without being too heavy, ideal from those cool fall months. Not to mention it comes with a nice relaxed fit that makes it very comfortable for many body types, while the button front adds a touch of utility. Hollister twill Shacket is a great combination of stylish, affordable, and functional, and you definitely can't beat the price. It's only going to set you back 19 bucks. Next up, we have an option that adds a great deal of sophistication and refinement to your fall wardrobe at a great price. you definitely want to check out this H&M Slim Fit Wool Blend Coat. Now, when we're talking about a great option for the fall, the overcoat is one of your best choices. Easy way to dress up some of your casual options during the fall, but it looks, of course, just as good with your dressier fits. And this one from H&M, made from a comfortable wool blend, offers warmth while maintaining a lightweight feel. Perfect for the fall. And the slim fit design with its tailored polished silhouette helps contribute to its ability to work with both casual and dressier looks. The classic design features a button front and clean line, giving it a timeless, refined, sophisticated take. Not to mention it comes in 3 different colors: camel, navy, and black. One of the best outerwear pieces you'll find at this price range. You definitely want to check out the H&M Slim Fit Wool Blend Coat. It's only going to set you back $70. Now, next up on the list of the 10 best affordable fall style essentials for this year is one I could put on the list almost every year, and I usually do. You never can go wrong with Uniclo's cashmere sweaters. The Uniclo cashmere sweater, especially in this crew neck version, is a luxurious but affordable fall wardrobe staple. Made from a soft, luxurious, and lightweight 100% cashmere, this is the go-to option when it comes to your fall sweaters. Perfect layering choice for fall's cooler months. And of course, its classic crew neck design makes it extremely versatile, pairing well with both casual and formal outfits. The fit is modern, polished, and tailored without being tight, giving you a sleek silhouette without sacrificing comfort. And of course, with Uniclo, it comes in a wide range of colors. And despite its high-end fabric and feel, we're talking about a very affordable price when it comes to cashmere. Only $99. You can never go wrong with the Uniclo cashmere sweater. We're staying in the sweater category for my next recommendation of a fall style essential at a great price. I highly recommend you check out this Banana Republic Factory Ottoman half-zip sweater. Now, this without a doubt is a stylish and versatile option to any guy's fall wardrobe. Made from a soft textured knit, this sweater combines comfort with sophistication, making it a great layering piece to wear under a jacket, over a button-down shirt, or even a t-shirt. A great addition to your casual and semi-casual looks. The half-zip design adds to its layerability, while the ribbed ottoman design adds a nice bit of texture. And I really love the fit on this Banana Republic Factory sweater. Tailored, modern, and polished, it gives you a flattering silhouette without feeling restrictive. Available in its great neutral tones, it gives a lot of versatility and functionality. Polished and comfortable look that will make a great addition to your fall wardrobe. And it is only going to set you back $37.50. Now, during the fall, or any part of the year for that matter, one of the most important parts of your style, the final details. Like, of course, the scent. That's why one of my favorite recommendations on this list is one of the best affordable colognes you'll find for the fall. I highly recommend you check out Cremo's Palo Santo Reserve. Now, with this Palo Santo Reserve, you got a creamy, woody, leathery, warm cologne. One that's mystical, smooth, and inviting. And it arrives as this great scent with a combination of notes like cardamom, papyrus, santos, cedar, and tonka bean, all combined to give you this bold yet creamy, warm, and rich scent. Now, when it comes to this selection from Cremo, I really love its leathery, rich, crisp, warm appeal. And without a doubt, when we're talking about a cologne that punches way above its price range, Cremo's line gets it done. So if you're looking for a great woody, leathery, aromatic, warm scent that won't set you back a bunch of money, definitely can't go wrong investing only $21 in Cremo's Palo Santo Reserve. Now, next up on the list is a workwear take of one of my favorite style essentials, fall or any time of that year, chinos. I highly recommend you check out these BDG Utility Chinos. Now, these BDG Utility Chino pants are a great stylish and versatile option for any man's fall rotation. Made from a durable cotton, the great thing about these, they have a relaxed fit, meaning I believe they'll work on a wide range of body types. They have a modern edge that combines practicality. The utility-inspired design includes multiple pockets, adding a touch of ruggedness but still remaining practical for everyday wear. These pants pair effortlessly with a long-sleeve tee, an Oxford button-down, or hoodies, making them ideal for various casual situations. And although they do have a relaxed fit, they have a slightly tapered leg, giving you a clean, updated look without sacrificing comfort or ease of movement, allowing you to upgrade your fall style with a balance of comfort, practicality, durability, and versatility at an excellent price. These will only run you $49. Now, next up on the list, we have a great sneaker option. One that gives you a lot of versatility at a phenomenal price. You definitely want to check out the Banana Republic Factory vegan leather sneakers. Now these give you a great leather look, but in a stylish, eco-friendly alternative to traditional leather. Crafted from high-quality vegan leather, these great minimalist design shoes have a sleek and polished look that will elevate all your fall outfits. And the different colors available besides your standard white, the cognac, the black, and the dark brown pair very well with your other earth tone colors you wear throughout the fall. Not only do these look good, they're very comfortable, great for all day wear. I believe these sneakers are perfect for the modern guy, one who wants a nice athletic feel, doesn't want to give up on their sneakers, but want more of a grown man approach. And the cherry on top, these only cost 40 bucks. Okay, so there you have it, my annual roundup of 10 of the best affordable fall style essentials. Now do me a favor, let me know in the comment section which of my recommendations caught your eye. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did about the 10 best fall colognes for this year. You can check it out right here.